Hey guys, I'm back with another. It's not really an unboxing. This is just showcasing something that I purchased that's an add-on to my bikes and my segments that I mod e-bikes and motorcycles and all that good stuff, and safety is a big part of that. I have probably a helmet for every bike I have, e-bike, e-motorcycle, gas motorcycle, and then some. But as I've been looking at the news and seeing the number of motorcycle accidents increasing and people dying or being hurt, I've been doing a lot of research into my next helmet that not only will go well with my new Can-Am Riker that I'm modding, and you're going to see the second episode of those mods soon, but also something that included some of the safety features that I have researched. This is the Icon UltraFlite carbon fiber brand new helmet. It's DOT certified, ECE certified, and it includes MIPS. You see this yellow symbol here? MIPS, as you know, is a multi-directional impact protection system. I'm not sure if I have the acronym right, but basically it has the ability to move within the helmet so that if a lot of injuries when we get into an accident is our brain bouncing really fast from one side to the other. And this allows movement in the helmet without your brain doing the movement. So this is designed to protect brain damage mostly. And so I'm going to move this now out the way and reveal the helmet in the bag. Really nice bag. I love the quality of the bag, Icon. Really nice job. Again, this is something I purchased on my own, like many of the mods on my channel. So please, do like and subscribe and share, because each new subscriber helps to take the channel a little further and helps me to be able to buy more stuff to test and mod and showcase, so that you guys can figure out what to buy, or maybe you just like my videos. The top of this has a pouch. And in this pouch, I placed what also came with it, and that is the clear visor. So there's the smoke visor on it, and then there's a clear visor. The clear visor comes, not attached, but you can replace the smoke if you want. Most people, I think, prefer the smoke, and so that's the way they shipped it. And it's really a nice bag. A lot of times they come in bags, but the bags are kind of like, you feel like they would rip. And this is not the first time I opened the helmet. I did open it when I first got it. It came with the documentation, and the helmet came not just in this bag, but also in this bag for shipping. So it came well protected. I wanted to make sure you knew that, because Icon did a really good job with this. So let's take it out real quick. I'm not a helmet expert. I do mods and stuff, but I have been getting more into the helmets because, quite frankly, I want to come home to my family. So I'm going to just give you a quick overview, of how this is. This is a brand new Icon carbon fiber. I bought the extra large. I have a kind of a big head. I measured 23 point something, and I bought an extra large looking at their sizing chart. It fits well. It's a little tight, when you first slide it on, but once it gets around your jawbone, it holds well, it sits perfectly, it's comfortable, and it fits the way it should, not with bouncing around inside. The detents for the visor as well, there's only down and up, right? Some people might want to go crazy or find it nice to ride like that, turn sideways. No, you can't, okay? The detent is at the top, or it closes. On the front here, there are vents, open and close vents on either side. Haven't ridden with it yet. Like I said, I just got it, so I don't know how much air they give. I do know that I was not a big fan of this vent here, because let me raise it for you to see. This vent here, because the adjustments on the inside. You can hear that. So if you're riding and you kind of want to change it while you're riding, there is a soft mesh here that you can fit your finger up, I guess, but I wasn't too much of a fan of that. Anyway, good quality. I love the carbon fiber. It matches the type of carbon fiber I'm using on my Riker. In case you guys didn't get to see it as yet, I am using a carbon fiber detailing, so to speak, on my Riker. A lot of people put different wraps and colors, and they look beautiful, some Rikers out there. I decided I'm going to keep the carbon fiber and black look. I wanted that look. I didn't want to go flashy. On the side, you have the always secure fasten chin straps. The Hemilink that I believe they sell also can be attached to the side for communication. On the back, you have sort of what do we call this? A spoiler, almost to speak, that goes up and down, but it opens and closes a vent. It feels like a spoiler, but it opens and closes a vent here. The back, it's marked, it's got the MIPS certification on the back. It's got the ECE, and with the ECE, for instance, they have to qualify for that. A lot of helmet people just go with the DOT, and for me, the DOT alone, as for my research, is not enough. The MIPS is very important. I'll show you real quick if I can show you what it looks like, but let's look at the inside real quick first. I don't want to make this a long video. It's just the first one. It's got the emergency tabs in case, God forbid, you get into an accident. They can pull it out. The buckles are metal and strong. The clips are strong. I like that. It does clip in, so you can adjust it. I'm not sure. I'd have to actually wear it for a ride to really come back and tell you how much I like the adjustability of it. And then here it's got the MIPS. I'm just going to pull down the padding at the top, and hopefully I'll take it. You can see that yellow. I don't want to pull it all the way up, but I'm sure you can see the yellow from the lighting in there. That's right here. That's the MIPS protection that it has. That is really fantastic, and what I was looking for. So, great helmet. This is a carbon fiber one. It's expensive. It's over $500, but I have other helmets that probably cost more than this, and I don't think that other helmet I have, I don't want to knock it, so I won't go with the model number, but I don't think it has the MIPS. I'm really happy about this. I love the look. I love the feel. I love the fit. To me, Icon's done a great job with this, and the next time you see me out there, it won't be for a little while. I just had knee replacement surgery, and then I'm in New York and it's cold, and unlike some folks who will put on a ton of gear and ride in the winter, I don't. But you will see me come spring. The bike mod should be done. I'm almost done with most of the ones I'll do for this year. There are going to be some mods I need to do for early next year where I need to be outside of my workshop, and I need to get the bike up in the air. The bikes are packed in the workshop now, so there's no real space for me to do some of the mods I want to. But then I will showcase it. We'll do another video. I'll go over all those mods, and then we'll take it for a ride. We'll do a riding video. I'll tell you how the helmet feels riding it. But I can tell you the way I feel right now, putting it on, feeling it, wearing it, just around, shaking my head to see how it feels, feeling the quality. I am very sure this is going to be a winner. So like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. I appreciate your support. It helps me do what I love to do. Makes life just another happy thing, another happy place, and we'll chat again soon. Icon UltraFlite carbon fiber helmet. Brand new from Icon.